Dear children, we are going on introduction of new plants. First of all, development of science has made it possible to introduce and view new varieties of plants from different places of the world. Potato and tomato are two such plants. Dear children, let's see this picture. Potato and tomato are two such plants which were introduced in India by Portuguese. बेटा two things है जिन्हें इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया, जिन्हें द्वारा इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया गया है वो है पोर्टुगीज. Now next tulip, broccoli, kinnu, rambutan, soyabean and kiwi are examples of some new plants which were not grown in India. Dear children, these pictures tulip, broccoli, soyabean, kiwi, these things not grown in India. Potato, tomato grown in India and these things are not grown in India. So next leaves. Leaves are the most important part of a plant. They are generally green color. Leaves are green in color due to presence of color pigment. Color pigment means natural coloring matter of plant tissue. Pigment means natural coloring matter of plant tissue called chlorophyll. Dear children, leaves are most important part of a plant. They are generally in green color. Leaves are green in color due to the presence of a colored pigment called chlorophyll. Like this, chlorophyll. Next, during process of photosynthesis, plants take a carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Photosynthesis process during plants take carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. These processes, thus leaves are known as the food factory of plants. This all process known as food factory of plants. Now types of plants. Types of plants. Leaves are mostly green in color, but some leaves such as the croton plant may be yellow, red, orange. Croton, meaning of croton, related to shrubs family. These plants related to shrubs family. Strong scanty leaves. These plants strong scanty leaves. Maybe yellow color, red color, orange color, like this. Leaves are generally flat and thin. They can collect energy from the sun. Leaves of the money plants are medium sized, while leaves of mango trees and long and narrow. Some leaves such as curry patta and mint have an interesting smell. So now next parts of leaf. Now next part of leaves. The flat part of leaf is called leaf blades. Though the center of the leaf runs the midrib from. Midrib, see this picture beta, midrib from the which many veins arise. There are teeny pores called stomata on the underside of leaves. See this picture beta, middle side of midribs, many veins and C part of blades. These flat part of leaf is called leaf blades. Though the center of leaf runs the midrib from which many veins arise. So next part beta, all this there are teeny pores called stomata. All teeny pores called stomata. Through these pores, exchange of gases take place in the plant. Oxygen is given out and carbon dioxide is taken in. So now next, use of leaves. Use of leaves. Leaves of some plants like the banana and the palm are used to make plates and bowls and can also be used to wrap food items. Dear children, do you see or also already things banana, palm, plates, bowls can use also wrap foods. Next, some leaves are cooked and eaten food, spinach, cabbage, lotus, these things, curry leaves. So these things are already cooked eaten foods. Some leaves are used to flavor food like this curry patta, mint leaf, coriander. These plants have fresh flavor. Curry leaves, mint leaves and coriander leaves. Next, mango leaves. Next, mango leaves are used for decoration during festival, marriage and other events. Mango leaves, see this picture beta, mango leaves are used in decoration. When we are going on functions, wedding, birthday party, engagement party, then we are decorate our home. So mango leaves, we are already used mango leaves. Next one, leaves of tulsi, mint and neem are used as medicines. Tulsi leaves, mint leaves, neem leaves. These are used in medicines. These are used in medicines. Now, let's see this picture beta. Dried neem, सूखे पत्ते, नीम के सूखे पत्ते. Dried neem leaves keep away insects and keep our woolen shapes. Dear children, when we save woolen clothes, then we dried leaves, then keep. Next, henna. Henna leaves are crushed and used to color hair, hands and feet. Dear children, girls already henna used in hands. So next one, khush leaves. Next one, palm leaves and coconut leaves are used to make roofs of huts. Coconut leaves है जो palm leaves है वो roofs की huts को बनाने में काम आते हैं. Next one, khush leaves. Khush leaves are used in coolers. The wet leaves of the khush plants cools the air. Next one, leaves give us oxygen. Leaves give us oxygen to breathe and keep air fresh. Leaves give us oxygen to breathe and keep air fresh. Next, last one, leaf designs are used on textile pottery and walls of house. So dear children, next करेंगे हम लोग trees and shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers are plants of different size. These plants are different sizes. Plants need soil, air, water and sunlight to grow. Plants need plants को चाहिए soil, air, water and sunlight to grow. Plants give us food, fiber, wood, medicines and many more things. Leaves are generally green color due to the presence of green color pigment called chlorophyll. Leaves make food for the whole plants with the help of sunlight, air, water. This process is called photosynthesis. Leaves are used for eating as food, as medicine and for decorations. Dear children, plants to need soil, air, water, sunlight. Four things: soil, air, water and sunlight to grow. Plants to grow करने के लिए four things की जरूरत होती है: soil, air, water and sunlight. Next one, leaves are generally green color due to presence of green color pigment called chlorophyll. Presence of green colored pigment called chlorophyll. नेक्स्ट वन, लीव्स मेक फूड। लीव्स फूड मेक करते हैं बेटा। लीव्स मेक फूड फॉर होल प्लांट विद द हेल्प ऑफ सनलाइट, एयर एंड वाटर। फूड मेक करने के लिए उन्होंने 3 थिंग्स की जरूरत होती है बेटा, सनलाइट, एयर एंड वाटर। दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड photosynthesis. So dear children, I hope you understand this chapter. So now other part of lesson. So dear children, read कर रहे हैं एक बार हम लोग ये lesson. देखो बेटा, introduction of plants. First है leaves. Leaves क्या है? Green color leaves. Already green color. So presence of green color pigment called chlorophyll. Green leaves make food. Presence of sunlight, air, water. Process is called photosynthesis. During process of photosynthesis, oxygen, carbon dioxide take carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. See this picture beta. Carbon dioxide take and oxygen out. Leaves known as food factory of plants. Potato, tomato grown in India. Tulip, broccoli, kinnu, soybean, rambutan, kiwi. Some examples of plants. These not grown in India. Leaves. Now next part of leaves. Leaves, many types of leaves are very important part of leaves. Leaves are usually flat, thin, so they collect energy of the sun. Money plant, mango leaf. Leaves, money plant, medium size, while leaf, mango trees are long and narrow. Curry patta, mint. Some leaves have a fresh food. Some leaves such as curry patta and mint have interesting smell. We have some interesting smells. Part of leaves blade, vein, midrib. Middle part of midrib, many rise mains and dash part of blades. These all process small pores on leaf. These processes stomata. Uses of plant. Leaves, some plant banana and palm are used plates, bowls. Also we use to grab food. Some leaves cooked, eaten food. Spinach, cabbage, lettuce. These plants we are already eaten. Curry leaf, mint leaf, coriander. Flavored food. Curry leaf, mint leaf, coriander have fresh smell. Interesting smell. Some leaves are used to flavor food. Curry leaf, mint and coriander. Mango leaves are used for decoration during festival, marriage and other things. Next one, leaves of tulsi, mint and neem are used as medicines. Tulsi, neem, mint are used as medicines. Next one, dried neem. Dried neam, सूखे पत्ते बेटा, dried neem. Keep away insects and keep our woolen seeds. And next one, henna. Henna leaves are crushed and used to color hair, hands and feet. Next one, hush leaves are used in coolers. They wet leaves of hush plants, coolers and air. They wet leaves of the hush plant cools the air. Next one, palm leaves and coconut leaves are used to make roof of huts. So next one, last one, leaves give us oxygen to breathe and keep the air fresh. Leaves design are used on textile, pottery and walls of uses. Dear children, now chapter is end. So dear children, आप लोगों ने इसको अच्छे से रीड करना है. रीड करने के बाद इसको अपने इसके जो डिफिकल्ट वर्ड है उसको रीड करना है. गुड बाय बेटा.